Hello everyone. In this module of Python Pandas, you will learn about the series, how it will work. So let's start with a presentation. The Pandas is a high-performance open source library for data analysis in Python developed by Wes McKinney in 2008. Pandas is an open source Python library providing high-performance data manipulation and analysis tool using its powerful data structures. The name Pandas is derived from the word panel data and ecometrics from multidimensional data. So using data, you can perform various computation on data sets. So if you want to work with Pandas, you have to install it in your system using command pip install pandas. You must be careful that your internet must be on while you are running these commands. You can install Python Pandas and you can work with the data structure like series and data frames. So let's understand how series will work and how data frame will work using Pandas. But in this module we are only talking about Python series. Python has some features. First is it can read or write in many different data type formats like integer, float, double, string, etc. Second, columns from a pandas data structure can be deleted or inserted. If you are creating a data set, you can easily insert a column or delete a column in this data set. Third, it can easily select subsets of data from bulky data sets. Number 4, it supports group by operation for data aggregation and transformations and allow high performance merging and joining of data. Fifth, it has the functionality to find and fill missing data. Sixth, it supports reshaping of data into different forms. Reshaping means you can convert all rows into columns and all columns into rows. Seventh, it supports visualization by integrating libraries such as Matplotlib and Seaborn. 8th, it facilitates loading, importing data from a varied source such as CSV and DBSQL. 9th, it allows you apply operations to independent groups within the data. So Pandas has these features, and using Pandas you can perform various operations on a data set. You can perform various aggregate functions like sum, average, minimum, maximum, mean, median and mode. You can perform another calculations like merging of data, joining and data, and you can also select a subset from a data set. It supports visualization by integrating libraries such as Matplotlib and Seaborn. As you have learned about Matplotlib library, using Matplotlib library we can draw various charts and graphs using Matplotlib library in data visualization. So in the same manner you can draw charts like histogram using Pandas library. So data can be represented in graphical format. A data structure is a way of storing and organizing data in a computer so that it can be accessed and work with in an appropriate way. Pandas provides the following data structures: Panda series, that is one-dimensional, and Panda data frame, that is two-dimensional. But in this module we are talking about Panda series, that is one-dimensional. The series is a one-dimensional array that can store various data types, including mixed data types like integers, strings, floating point numbers, etc. The row labels in a series are called the index. The series data is mutable, it means it can be changed, but the size of series data is immutable, cannot be changed. For example, the following data series is a collection of integers. There are some numbers as you can see: 10, 16, 15, 5 and 50. So these data will be stored at index position 0, 1, 2 and 3. So it is called a series, that is one dimensional. If you want to create series objects or series, then you can create using the syntax series objects equal to pandas.series. As you can see in the syntax that S is capital here and Python is case sensitive, so you have to be very careful about it. Pandas.series, and there are two arguments. First is data and second is index. Any list or dictionary can be converted into series using series method. It's all about series, and in the next module we will try some practical. So thanks for watching this video.